Cleaning and caring for your AirSense 11. Always unplug the device before cleaning and ensure that all parts are dry before plugging it back in. Disassembling. Take care when handling the humidifier tub, as the humidifier tub may be hot. Allow 10 minutes for the heater plate and any excess water to cool. Hold the humidifier tub at the top and bottom, press it gently, and pull it away from the device. Open the humidifier tub and discard any remaining water. Pinch the cuff of the air tubing and gently pull it away from the device. Hold both the cuff of the air tubing and the swivel of the mask, then gently pull apart. Locate the outlet connector on the inside of the device and release it by pressing the clip firmly. Remove the outlet connector by pulling it out through the outlet connector socket at the rear of the device. Daily cleaning. Empty the humidifier tub and wipe it thoroughly with a clean disposable cloth. Allow it to dry out of direct sunlight. Refill the humidifier tub with distilled water. Weekly cleaning. Wash the humidifier tub, air tubing, and outlet connector in warm water using a household dishwashing liquid. Components should not be washed in temperatures higher than 149 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius. Rinse each component thoroughly in water. Allow to dry out of direct sunlight or heat. Wipe the exterior of the device with a dry cloth. Checking. Regularly check the humidifier tub, air tubing, and air filters for any damage. Check the humidifier tub. Replace it if it is leaking or has become cracked, cloudy, or pitted. Replace it if the seal is cracked or torn. Remove any white powder deposits using a solution of 1 part household vinegar to 10 parts water. Rinse with clean water. Check the air tubing and replace it if there's any holes, tears, or cracks. Check the air filter and replace it every 6 months. Replace it more often if there are any holes or blockages by dirt or dust. Replacing the air filter. Open the air filter cover and remove the old air filter. Place a new air filter onto the air filter cover and then close the cover. Make sure the air filter and air filter cover is fitted at all times to prevent water and dust from entering the device. The air filter is not washable or reusable. Reassembling. When the humidifier tub, air tubing, and outlet connector are dry, you can reassemble the parts. To reassemble the AirSense 11 system, hold the outlet connector with the seal pointing to the left and the clip pointing forward. Make sure the outlet connector is correctly aligned and insert the outlet connector into the socket. Check the outlet connector is inserted correctly. Connect the air tubing firmly to the air outlet located on the rear of the device. Open the humidifier tub and fill it with distilled water under room temperature up to the maximum water level mark. Close the humidifier tub and insert it in the side of the device. Connect the free end of the air tubing firmly onto the assembled mask.